We got the Ole Smokey going today. We're gonna grill some chicken wings. Just waiting on the old vortex to get good and hot. I've already cleaned the grill, and we'll have those on there in a little bit. But it's a beautiful day today. A lot of stuff going on, birds in the air. About 70 degrees. We had a little bit of rain here in North Carolina. Oh, I want you to meet my new Tesla. Yeah. I bought it a couple weeks ago. Ordered it online. And I've been having some fun driving it so far. It's a sharp little car. Yep. Well, anyway, that's not what this video is actually about, but I figured while I was at it, I'd show you. It's a little bit, got a lot of pollen on it right now. I gotta get it cleaned. Yeah, and I got my charger hooked up. I ordered the charger with it, and I hooked that up myself last week, and everything worked out fine. So anyway, we're going to concentrate on the old chicken here. And as soon as this gets good and hot, which I feel like it is, they're starting to see a lot of red down in there. It's almost ready to put the chicken on. So we'll get the chicken on. We'll be right back. Okay, we got the chicken on. Yep. And I'll also put a piece of cherry wood on there. So we're going to cover it over. The dog's barking like crazy. Wouldn't you know it, the minute I start filming. Okay. We'll leave it in there for a while. That'll get back up to the barbecue range. Hey guys, let's check the chicken. Gonna check the chicken? I'm gonna give you some chicken. Yes, I am. I'm gonna share. Always share with my buddies. All right, let me take this thing off. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna check the temperature with my handy dandy temperature gauge. I love this thing. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'll check this one right here. You know, they're not quite as done as I'd like them to be. I like them to be about close to 200 actually. Where they fall. Where they will see, there's 180, there's 190 right there. So let's see. Oops, it's upside down. What happened? Oh, there we go. 187. Yeah, that scared me. Oh, there we go. 190. Yep, I would say they're ready to get off. So I'm going to take these off and go in there and we'll do a little taste test. Come on, don't be afraid. Here, eat one. Whoops. Yep, Oscar. Hold on just a second. Here you go, buddy. Here you go there, little buddy. All right. You like that? All right, guys. That's good, isn't it? To share it with my buddies. Okay. After feeding my dogs and washing my hands, I'm going to try a piece. This is the flat. Is actually my favorite. These were marinated with Cosmos Q, by the way. Let me show you. Yeah, that's they got different types. This is the Dirty Bird. It's really good. So there. Well, I'm gonna sit down, get me a side order of potato salad. And I want to thank you all for joining in. And remember, folks, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. See you later.